All right, let's use the law of sines to find the side length x on this given triangle. So as you can see, the information given, we have this opposite pair. We have this side length and then the angle that's opposite it. So what that tells us is we can use the law of sines to help us calculate this side length. So in looking at this law of sines, I want to calculate this. I'm going to go ahead and put that up in the numerator and use this version. So it's going to be over sine of the angle that's opposite. So 52 degrees is opposite on the triangle from where x is. And then we're going to use side length 26 over sine of 11 degrees because those are an opposite pair as well. Over in our formula, it's kind of like saying x is where the a is, and then alpha would be labeled on the angle opposite. All right, to solve this down, all we need to do is multiply both sides by sine of 52 degrees. That's going to land up in our numerator. They get to cancel out on this side or create a 1. So 26 multiplied by sine of 52 degrees over sine of 11 degrees. And then we'll get the calculator out and help us put this in. When you were entering this into your calculator, make sure you're in degree mode. So 107.375858. I'm not sure exactly how many decimal places you need to keep on this, but that's basically the setup on this. If I wanted to label, this is alpha, this is our A, I could say this is B, and this is our beta. If you want to refer back to the law of sines that's posted over on the right-hand side. Hope this helps out on setting these up and solving them down. Good luck.